It doesn't have to be alright, 'cause I don't need a lot of time. Stop waiting. If I can listen, if I read it, tell me what's the love, truth, the secret about it again. My friend, I need more close, who will look over who found you genuine, all of the things about it. But you're busy, but you're with me. Shut the front and got you.